This is a MasterCAM tutorial on how to orient your part into the correct working coordinate plane. This crucial step is often overlooked, leading to wonky tool paths and a headache later down the line. Throughout this video, I'll demo 3 different parts and what tools I use to reorient them. First, I'll show you what ideally happens when you open your part in MasterCAM. So after opening MasterCAM, I'll drop my SolidWorks file right into this open space. Here we go, here's our part. When it loads in, we can see our current orientation at the bottom left of the screen. So this part has the top view being the top of the part, which is what we want. So this is looking straight down onto our part, just like we would be on the machine. Next, we can move our view from the top to the front by clicking on the edge of this box here, or by right-clicking and selecting Front View. At any point, we can navigate to the plane screen, and by doing so, we can see where the origin is currently set. You may notice that the origin is set to the bottom of our part, which we want it to be at the top of the part. To fix this, we'll go over to the Transform toolbar and select Move to Origin. Then we just select which point we want the origin to be at, and it moves. There we go, this part is ready to go with 0, 0 set to the bottom left corner at the top of the stock. Next, we'll go over how to reorient the views. The top of our part will contain the boss and the 2 through holes. So our top view will look something like this. At the bottom left, it shows we're in the back view, but we want this to actually be our top view. So to change that, we'll go to Transform toolbar and then the Dynamic tool. We'll have to select the part first, and then this origin cursor appears. So we want to place this where 0, 0 is, which is going to be the bottom left corner. So I'll place that there. And then under the Axes panel on the left, we'll select WCS, which stands for Working Coordinate Plane. As I clicked it, you can see the part moved, and now in the top view, we can see our orientation is correct. Looking in the Planes tab, we can see that the top view is our WCS, Working Coordinate System. So the Dynamic Transform moved the part so that the origin axes that we selected match those of the current working coordinate system. Now we can click on Top View in the Planes menu to make our origin appear, but it's definitely not in the right spot there. So we'll use the Move to Origin command, just like before. And there we go, now it's at the bottom left. However, our Z-axis is still off. We want it to be at the top of the part. So we need it to move straight up here. And so we'll have to use the Translate button and select the part. And then there's this Vector From/To button. And we'll say, I want this point to move to where this next point is. Straight down. And it's going to move our part from that spot to the next spot. We'll make sure it says move. And looking at our origin, it looks like it's in the right spot now. This last part will review how to rotate a round part to line up locating features. So this is what we want the top view of our plate to be. You can notice that there's some holes for a flange or something towards the bottom. These holes will be used to line up the part on the fixture plate. Right here, the holes are off to the left, but on our fixture plate, use them straight down to locate where our part is. With our desired top view lined up, just like before, I'll use the Dynamic Transform command, and we'll reorient this view to be our top view. Now we'll look from the top view, and we need those locating features to be pointing down. So then I'll use the rotate command here. Select the part, automatically picks the center, and we can move it to 90 degrees. However, it's on copy, so I'll switch it to move. And there we go. The part is all ready to go. Hopefully this helps you gain an understanding on how to reorient parts within MasterCAM. This is an important first step that will put you on a confusing path if you forget to do it. My name is Sam, and please reach out to the Design Innovation Lab if you have any questions.